Welcome to the lesson on origin of Earth and evolution of the environment. By the end of this video, you will learn about how the Earth is part of the universe and the solar system. We will see how the universe and Earth began. You will also learn that Earth is a unique planet and how its environment sustains life and a lot more. So, let's begin. Our planet, Earth, is a part of a vast cosmic playground known as the universe. Imagine millions of galaxies, each filled with countless stars. Our Earth is just one tiny speck in this magnificent expanse. But let's zoom in a little closer. Our solar system consists of our Sun, the Moon, the planets, and even some intriguing satellites, and not to forget those sun-circling asteroids and comets. It's like a bustling cosmic neighborhood. Now let's take a step back and explore how it all began. The widely accepted theory is called the Big Bang. It suggests that the universe originated from a tremendous explosion billions of years ago. This explosion filled the universe with dust and gases, and the temperature was an unimaginable 100 billion degrees Celsius. As time went on, these dust and gas clouds began to swirl and spin faster. In the center, a star was born, the Sun. Around this newborn star, large dust blobs broke off and gradually formed into 8 planets. One of those fortunate planets was our very own Earth. Earth came into existence about 4.5 billion years ago. Initially, it was a hot and chaotic place with white-hot gases and particles burning all around. But over millions of years, these elements started to cool down and solidify, just like chocolate or wax hardens when it cools. As Earth's surface solidified, it formed a crust, like a protective layer of armor. But deep beneath this crust lies something extraordinary, the Earth's interior. It's like a simmering cauldron of molten minerals and hot gases, reaching incredible temperatures. The Earth's core is about 6,400 kilometers below the surface and is primarily made of hot liquid. Now, let's talk about something we experience every single day, day and night. Our beautiful Earth rotates on its axis, giving us 24-hour cycles of light and darkness. It's like a never-ending dance with the Sunday. And as Earth twirls around, it also orbits the Sun, completing its journey in approximately 365 days. Now, here is something truly amazing. Our Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life. It's like a precious oasis in the vastness of space. Earth has the perfect combination of air and water that sustains a diverse range of organisms, including us humans. But what about the other planets in our solar system? Let's take a quick tour and learn about their unique characteristics. First up, we have Mercury. It's the closest planet to the Sun and has extreme temperature variations, freezing cold on one side and scorching hot on the other. And guess what? No atmosphere to protect it. Next, we have Venus, Earth's closest neighbor. It's a real hotshot, with temperatures soaring up to a sizzling 480 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, along with some toxic chemicals. Not the best vacation spot, I must say. Now, let's set our sights on Mars, the red planet. It may sound exciting, but it's a chilly place with an atmosphere dominated by carbon monoxide and crimson dust. So far, no confirmed signs of life, but who knows what we might discover in the future. Moving on to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. It's a giant ball of gas, swirling with ammonia clouds and storms. And believe it or not, it doesn't even have a solid surface. Saturn, on the other hand, is a real show-off with its stunning rings. It's mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, and its atmosphere is frigid, around -184 degrees Celsius. Don't forget the toxic hydrogen cyanide. Let's enjoy Saturn from a safe distance, shall we? So, as we explore the solar system, we realize that Earth is truly unique. We should cherish and take care of this incredible planet that we call home. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I will see you in the next lesson.